We are meeting after 3 months. And after 3 months, I think it's a very legitimate ask in the minds of even 1.4 billion people that what are the measures that have been taken? Of course, Operation Sindoor, and we've gone and told about it to the world. But Prime Minister said something extremely important. He said Operation Sindoor is still ongoing. So if Operation Sindoor is ongoing, and that is a question that has gone quite viral when I spoke about it,
right,
then why are we playing cricket with Pakistan? Why are we not calling that off? Why are we giving green signaling Asia Hockey Cup? Why are we green signaling it? So if Prime Minister of my country is saying that no talk with terror, no trade with terror, then who's green flagging these events? So the hypocrisy is pretty obvious, right? So the cricketers of Pakistan were mocking Operation Sindoor. They came out and they were talking badly about Indian women. There are images that they have shared on their Instagram accounts which talk mockingly about Operation Sindoor, that how a Pakistani army general is applying Sindoor on the forehead of an Indian widow. How is it okay? How is it acceptable to play the same very people? Playing with the emotions of the people and the 26 women who were widowed? So there are several hypocrisies that exist. And if we stay silent, I think we would be failing our nation. So let's not, so we are getting plastered XYZ place, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Palestine, wherever, US, Europe, big deal.
What's your ask of the government as far as the cricket match
I
is
want
concerned?
it cancelled. I want any engagement with Pakistan cancelled. I will stand by it. This is something that my party has been speaking about right from Anya Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thakraji's days, that there can be nothing, no compromise with terror. You say, okay, let's normalize these ties, and then slowly they keep moving an inch forward and getting into under our skin and getting access to our economy. Look, there are two different ideas of, India was partitioned on the basis of an Islamic nation. They chose their route, we chose ours. Our path is development and trade and inclusivity. We have a third largest Muslim population in the world.
Yeah.
They all stand unitedly with the idea of India. On the other hand, there is a Pakistan which is living in its own poison of wanting to create disturbances in neighbor country but not creating peaceful region for itself. So we'll have to make that choice. Do we want to engage with them? And I don't want any engagement at any format if Prime Minister of India on the floor of the House has said Operation Sindoor is ongoing. If you're not giving them water, Indus Water Treaty is in abeyance. Lots of other factors have come into play. We are not giving them visas. We've also not given the long-term people who are staying here had long-term visas. Those were taken away. So why?